Now, why do you see all the professionals in the cleaning companies use deionized water, or as we like to call it, reversed osmosis? Well, tapped water contains a lot of minerals. These minerals have a really bad influence on the productivity level of your solar panels. They have a lot of minerals like chalk, salt, and those become really tough on the surface of your solar panels. So why do we use osmosis? Because all those things being filtered out. Osmosis is actually pure water, pure H2O. The big benefit of pure H2O is it contains a lot of oxygen, and it's that level of oxygen that gives a much better, deeper cleaning onto the surface of the solar panel. So you get way better results and your solar panels stay clean way longer than you would use, or you would clean with just tapped water.